Hey, what's up guys? Here in this video, I'm gonna be showing you over 20 different exercises with the sliders again, but this time it's gonna all be for your legs. Coming right up.
Are you ready? I know you're ready. All right, here we go.
Just like I said here in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys over 20 different exercises, all that are gonna be for your legs using the sliders. We're gonna be doing squats, lunges, jumping exercises, things that you haven't even seen yet, all for your legs to help tone, strengthen, and build those glutes and legs. Coming right up, here we go. Down in the description below, I'm gonna have free ebooks for all of you guys. So all you gotta do is click those links down below and you're gonna be able to download some of my free ebooks. Isn't that a great deal? Free exercises and free ebooks for the sliders? Simple. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Can I say a bad word? Can I say a bad word? You motherfucking bitch!
Fuck do you think a hater's job is? To fucking hate. So let them motherfuckers do their goddamn job. What the fuck?